Hey, what's going on? We're here at Pete's place today, picking up a manual gearbox and some bits and pieces for the Stagea, which is pretty exciting. I've got Joel with me and a giant dog, Jesus Christ. And yeah, we're just gonna pick up the box and all the other bits for the manual conversion, chuck it in this van, take it back home, and yeah, this is pretty exciting. So let's have a look what we've got. Yeah. So this is Pete.
Hey guys.
Repping the crew. At least somebody does.
Already, okay. So I woke up and raced to yours.
So here's just some of the Stagea parts that Pete has for sale. Whole bloody car. There's 2 more Stages. This dude buys and sells a lot of Stages.
Oh, it's from direct, yeah. Which one is that? Is that 20?
Yes, we both. Custom built for launches.
Yeah. It's gonna be heavy as fuck, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you showing me?
Oh. Tin plate.
And this is yours.
Nice.
And this is yours.
Aww.
No, that's
No, that's yours, isn't it?
That's where they come out of my car. Have a look how much meat's still on that. There's still nothing wrong with that clutch.
Is it just a standard one?
No, that's the same as what you're getting.
What, Exedy?
Exedy, yeah. Exedy.
Sweet.
The Exedy's held pretty well. They hold pretty well for what they do.
Dude, before I blew the motor in this, I would clutch kick second on roundabouts.
Oh, because yours is rear wheel,
That's, no, all wheel.
all wheel.
Clutch kick second on roundabouts at 7k in the wet, and it would skate.
Dude, is that a GDR strap race?
No, that's off a 33 GST.
Really?
Very similar to a GDR because it has a BMC stopper.
Oh, true, it does. Yeah, right.
It's like Ravi wants.
That's going back in. That's going back in mine.
Oh, I don't necessarily want it, but it's just, it's like thick.
I'm not going to tell you I want it, but I want it.
And mine has a rear strut brace in the back that'll cut the
Yeah, yeah.
pills out.
That's right.
Whichever side I bought them from. So you put them in there and they pull the actual wire out of the plug because I want to save the plugs.
The tick toot.
All right, Pete. Let's see your motor.
It's a good one. It's angry. Nothingness. It's just angry.
See all the way back.
Oh damn! I should have popped out that thing.
Oh, so if you have a look and lay underneath here and have a look at the side, the sill,
Oh yeah,
you'll see where the clutch unit goes, just in front of the tyres.
yeah. Inside.
You have a look just underneath the side
Yep.
there.
Yep.
You'll see where the clutch comes down here, and that big assembly that hangs back there
Yeah.
is how the clutch sits.
Back there.
No, that whole pipe work that's bolted to the sill
This.
and back from there,
And
that
that.
big block and that big block and that big pipe,
Yeah.
that's for making it have a soft clutch.
Do
That's a factory RS4S clutch assembly.
Do you need that?
You do, unless you're going to take that line out and put a braided line from your master cylinder to your slave.
Oh, gotcha.
And then you have a direct clutch feel.
Oh yeah. So have you cut that, or that's how it normally is?
That's not how it normally is.
Yep.
So you can see that this is a plate.
Yep.
It's been put in.
Yep.
So I can take that plate out for you if you want, and you can bolt it to your car.
And so I just have to make. So I just cut out this part of my car basically.
Yep.
And bolt that plate over the top of it.
Yep, just elastic it down like they've done.
Yeah. Right.
And then that part there, that bracket there, is your handbrake.
Oh, true.
Your handbrake mount. So I've got to punch all these welds out because he's actually welded this back on.
Oh, because this was converted, wasn't it?
Yeah, this was converted.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right. So should we?
I'm going to cut that out for you.
Yeah. Cool. So what? Mine doesn't have that.
Nope.
Oh, because obviously it's a foot brake.
Yep. So
All right.
you just got to make sure you take this bracket off, which bolts here,
Oh, that's for that. Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
so you can run the handbrake cable through the floor underneath.
Oh, that's where it comes up? Okay.
Yep.
Sweet. So I can picture us going up and down on the hoist like 80 times.
Always use the shop.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Oh, you guys are doing it.
Yeah. That's the idea. End of Feb.
And then that's where the hole is for the
Oh yeah, right.
clutch,
Yeah.
clutch pedal. If there's any nuts and bolts that are missing, which there shouldn't be,
You'll have them
I'll have them
somewhere. Yeah,
here,
sweet.
in the bucket or crate up there, or in one of the 4 buckets in the shed.
Yeah, nice. Cool, man.
Handbrake will need to be adjusted once it goes in.
Yep.
Pretty basic.
Easy. Oh, look at this! I got my own shopping basket from Pete's Warehouse. Oh, yep.
Them ones there, and clutch bolts.
Sweet.
See that big pipe work? You don't need it, but you can buy a braided line which goes from here to there,
Yep.
and it eliminates all that shit.
That's right. I'll just stick it in
Weight
exactly how it is.
reduction
I'll just chuck it in exactly how it is.
Starter.
That's easier. Hi, man.
Thanks, bro.
Thanks very much.
Easy, man.
See you when I see ya.
See you when I play with the again.
Sounds good. Later.
Later, bro.
Enjoy.
Go back. Come on.
Just got to hold the connection on there to get a good solid ground when you crank it.
Oh, fuck.
This old girl's seen a few things, man. Actually, I gotta check. Oh yeah. Oh, so that's the throw-up bush in there. I might just get new ones to be safe anyway.
Safe.
Yeah, I mean, I think they're not very expensive. And like while it's out,
Might be. It might be. It is GTR.
there's a clutch. Pretty good nick. Flywheel. Like Pete said, I might go and get it machined, make sure it's nice and smooth and flat, ready to go in. A box full of goodies. Got the whole loom, all the pedals, the shifter stuff. It's cool. Door cards.
And your $1 million trim.
And the center console worth 4,000 million billion yen. Look, it's pretty cool, I get that. It's also, like, this one actually opens both ways. So it's like left-hand, right-hand drive, whereas mine only opens one way. So, I mean, whatever benefit that is.
Pretty dope.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So that's everything there.
Oh, you got a cluster?
Oh, and the cluster too, yeah, manual. And the manual cluster, which is sexy. Look at that, white faces. No automatic tree down the middle. But this one I think does have 160 something thousand Ks on it. My car only has 150 something, so not a big difference. But I might just drive it around for a bit before I swap that in. So yeah, that's everything back at the house. Thanks very much to Joel for his big strong boy muscles, man boy muscles.
I just came in super high, really.
Man, this thing's heavy as hell. Started giving it a bit of a clean. All the stuff came off pretty easy, but I'll keep going. Gotta go get some more degreaser. Not that it really matters, but I just like to take care of it before it's actually in the car. There it is. All-wheel drive manual gearbox from Stagea. Pretty sweet. So there you go, guys. That's a look at the Stagea manual conversion, the parts, a little bit of a look at the process, and I'm really excited because it's going to completely transform the car. So yeah, can't wait to get that in. Before I actually get around to doing that, there's a couple of other little things that I want to do first. We're going to make a few videos about that before we actually get to the whole manual conversion thing, so keep an eye out for those. In the meantime, make sure you like this video, subscribe, check out Facebook, Instagram, all that sort of fun stuff, and we'll see you on the streets.